Hi. Have you or a loved one been involved in a logger truck accident here in Houston, Texas? Well, my name is attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm known as the Big Rig Bull Texas truck accident lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligence, recklessness, or intentional wrongdoing of motor carrier companies and their truck drivers. If you've been injured in a truck crash, give me a call today at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. That's HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, and download your free ebook titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law, What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this with you in mind. So go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, download your free ebook today, and then give me a call at 713-766-3322. I look forward to discussing your 18-wheeler crash and helping you receive the care and compensation that you deserve.